Hey there, fellow dreamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to living life on your terms. Today, we have something truly special for you, the real retirement plan that can help you retire early and live the life of your dreams. Picture this: waking up every morning, knowing you have the freedom to do whatever your heart desires. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, we're here to tell you that it's not only possible, but achievable with the real retirement plan we're about to share. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this retirement plan apart from the rest? But before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you do not miss the future videos. Let's dive right in and uncover the key principles that will pave your way to early retirement. Step 1. Mindset Mastery. It all starts with shifting your mindset from working for money to making money work for you. We'll show you proven strategies to change your financial perspective and unlock a wealth-building mindset. Step 2. Strategic Saving. This is where the real magic happens. We'll reveal clever techniques to optimize your saving potential and accelerate your journey towards early retirement. It's time to say goodbye to living paycheck to paycheck. Step 3. Investment Intelligence. Making your money work for you requires smart investing. We'll demystify the world of investments and guide you through the strategies that can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Step 4. Multiple income streams. Why rely on a single source of income when you can have multiple streams flowing into your bank account? We'll uncover creative and lucrative ways to diversify your income and secure your financial future. And there you have it, my friends, the real retirement plan that can turn your dreams of early retirement into a reality. But remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Stay tuned to our channel, where we'll guide you every step of the way towards financial independence and a life of abundance. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a life-changing episode. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep living life on your own terms. This is your host, signing off.